Towards the end of month, Google made an announcement in response to Apple's plans for their September 12 launch event. They disclosed that the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro would be officially unveiled on October 4. It has been over a week since then. It seems like Google can hardly contain its excitement about the upcoming event. After revealing some details about the Pixel 8 Pro, Google has now given us a glimpse of both the flagship device and the standard Pixel 8 ahead of their hardware launch event. Through a couple of video teasers and a new landing page on the Google Store, we get a sneak peek at what the Pixel 8 lineup will offer. This includes the seen porcelain version of the 8 Pro, well as a pink color option for the smaller phone. Out of these teasers, one provides the introduction by briefly showcasing products such as the Pixel Watch 2 and Pixel 8 Pro. The images and videos shared by Google clearly highlight how smaller in size the Pixel 8 is compared to its counterpart, the 8 Pro. Although there are rumors that the Pixel 8 Pro will maintain its predecessor's 6.7-inch display size, it seems that the standard Pixel 8 might have a 6.17-inch display as opposed to the 6.3 inches on the Pixel 7. This could be news for those who prefer phones that are not too large and can be comfortably held in one hand. However, Google didn't stop there. An hour later, they released another video that wasn't really a teaser, but more of a full product reveal. In 23 seconds, they confirmed what the leaks had already hinted at. The Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are sticking to the design language as their predecessors, but with some minor improvements here and there. Rumor has it that the Pro version might even come with a thermometer. On its back, for some reason, you'll notice a little blob beneath the LED flash circle. Now, if we go back to the video showcasing the Pixel Watch 2, it looked exactly like the original Pixel Watch, but we're hoping that this time any enhancements will be under the hood. While Google doesn't give away much about the features coming with the Pixel Watch 2, they do mention that if you pair it with a Pixel phone, you'll get more personalized assistance, safety features, and health insights. Google also gave a sneak peek of the Pixel Buds in its teaser, suggesting that we'll get to see the earbuds at their event focused on hardware. So what are your thoughts on these Pixel devices? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section. And for more Pixel updates, you can check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.